Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about how to learn to read. Reading is such a long process, and it can be so different for every person. So that road may be different. There's some basic things that learning to read that are included with learning to read, and one of them is phonics. There's some differing opinions on the order in which phonics are used or how much emphasis to be placed on them, but in general, students need to learn to be able to decode the sounds. Phonics is learning the sounds that letters make and being able to assemble them to read words. So having some knowledge of phonics, letter sounds, and blending the letters together is vital to learning to read. At the same time, you also need to learn some sight words, some words that you don't sound out at all, but you just recognize on sight. So combination of sight words and phonics helps children begin to be able to decode words. And then at the same time, more experience of being read to, more experience of seeing other people value books, the more that can be built into the young reader's life, the more value they'll have the energy to do this work of learning to read. The more you can relax about teaching reading, the better, because it can be very stressful. A child can pick up on an adult's, sense of urgency, and it can make them very tense and not open to the things that they need to do to learn to read. So try and make it a relaxed process as much as possible. Try not to worry, because every child has their own timetable for learning to read. So take a very relaxed approach, teach some phonics and some sight words, and continue to share books together in a relaxed way, and your child will learn to read.